Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Shezi and here I am taking you with Abir to Jaipur trip जहाँ वो अपने जेमा जेपा और दा भाई से फर्स्ट टाइम अपने होश में मिलने वाला है. उससे पहले वो जब भी मिला था वो बहुत छोटा था. So he was really excited that he is going to meet his big brother. Da bhai is very fond of him and that is why we traveled by train in early morning and we reached before them. Hence we were settling down. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं that he is sitting, enjoying, looking at the interiors and roaming here and there. So जब भी वो कहीं पे पहुँचते हैं वो फटाफट अपने शूज़ और क्रॉक्स या जो भी वो पहने होते हैं वो निकाल देते हैं. So he want to relax. Hello. Here he is going to check his room. So he is saying कि let me go with you and check out the room. So just see वो कैसे लीड कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे वो गिर जाते हैं.
Careful, Baba, careful.
लेकिन he is such a brave boy that he is okay with it because he is so excited. So see how he is leading it. वो ही जा रहे हैं, ये देख रहे हैं. Such a beautiful location. He really liked it. I loved it. It was a beautiful hotel.
Ron, come.
Amazing location. And look at this room. This is so beautiful. See, Ron loved it. He jumped on the bed so much, Look at this location. This is really beautiful. See, this is the lounge area where Ron chilled the most. He wanted to sit on the sofa, but he thinks that he got stuck on the side and he's telling me that he got stuck. So finally we get to meet his Da Bhai and Jema. So we went downstairs.
है ना? वीडियो ही नहीं हो. रॉन दा भाई कहाँ है?
Look at this.
Where is Da
First
Bhai?
time he is meeting them. He doesn't know how to express क्योंकि इतनी छोटी एज में शायद उन लोगों को expressions और feelings कैसे express करते हैं वो आता नहीं है. यहाँ पे उसकी जेमा और दा भाई उसको स्वीट फ्लेक्स और मिल्क पिलाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं बट एक्साइटमेंट में वो चॉकलेट ही खा रहे हैं.
क्यों रॉन दा भाई क्यों कहेगा? दा भाई थोड़ी ना स्मॉल बॉय है.
फॉन्ड ऑफ चॉकलेट. सारे बच्चे होते हैं. सो और यहाँ पे वो अपने दा भाई के साथ ही था all that time. Check this out. He's just roaming around with him and they are very happy with each other's company. Look at the age gap. Still they are so happy, both of them. Not only Ron, not only Abir, it's his brother as well. See how nice it is. So this is poolside and Ron is very fond of water. उनके ब्रदर उनसे कह रहे हैं you want to jump and he said yes. See, they are clicking pictures and looking at the pigeons flying. It's a beautiful place and location. It's a beautiful morning out there. Can you see the greenery and the way they have decorated the hotel around? It is beautiful. It was indeed really beautiful. See, this is the sitting area also. You can take sun bath. So यहाँ से हमारा ट्रिप शुरू हुआ था that we are just going out to roam around the city. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं और Ron is obviously not with mom at all. He's always with his brother. Look at this. Look at this. He tried to do himself everything. He want to open the door. He want to sit in the car on his own.
Dance करो.
Everything on his own. So kind of good also. He's enjoying यहाँ पे folk music बजा रहे हैं वो लोग. So he enjoyed to the fullest. इतना मेरे को पता है. हम भले ही उसके पीछे पीछे भागते रहे हों. वी आर रनिंग अराउंड. ये मत करो, ये मत छुओ, वो मत छुओ. इतना रेस्ट्रिक्शन हमें रखना पड़ा उसके ऊपर क्योंकि कभी वो म्यूजियम में जाके ये छू रहा है, कभी उसको वो छूना है, कभी ये टच करके देखना है. ओ गॉड बट दिस एज इज़ सो नाइस दैट ही एंजॉय एवरीथिंग टू द फुलेस्ट. आई नो कि हो सकता है कि 100% उसको याद भी नहीं रहेगा, लेकिन आई थिंक ही has these kind of fine motor skills जो वो develop कर रहा है, and to enjoy in public and to go these places and enjoy is a big thing. मैंने बहुत सारे बच्चों को देखा है that you know they are kind of not able to enjoy या गोद में आ जाते हैं या जो भी है. See, this is Birla Temple and what he's doing. It's quite cold, huh? It was like what, November 2nd. So how cold it was, see? But still, he is enjoying. This is the fort. हम फोर्ट देखने गए थे वहाँ पे और look at the slope. It is quite high and still he is very happy going dancing over there. He want to eat ice cream here. He's saying, oh, he told me अंदर आने से पहले कि उसको आइसक्रीम खानी है. So okay, fine, आइसक्रीम देंगे, अंदर चलते हैं. But वो भूला नहीं और वो he kept asking for it. This is another one. This is the mahal we came in and we had a guide to tell us about the history of it. जो रॉन के ब्रदर हैं, रॉक है उनका नाम, तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हैं हिस्टोरिकल मॉन्यूमेंट्स देखने में. उनको बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं ये सब चीज़ें, डॉक्यूमेंट्री वाली और ये सब. ही इज़ वेरी मच इंटरेस्टेड इनटू इट. तो ये उन्हीं का डिसीजन था दैट ही वांट टू गो हियर. He is enjoying as well. On top of this, Ron is also there to entertain him and everybody. Look at this, they both are so happy together. So it is family. After really long COVID की वजह से there was no meetup, no going out, nothing. And after that, I think वो COVID में इतना बड़ा हो गया. Okay, so this is the train scene when we are going back, and until he was sleeping, everything was fine. Look at this. There is some random kid he met in the train, and now they both are like saying hi to the passengers. The entire train, you know, they are running in the from here to one point to another one. Oh God, it was crazy. I was standing the whole time and just, you know, taking care of him, of his safety. I was not sitting after he got up. But look at this. I want this kind of concentration for life, you know, so that I can achieve something. तो ये कुछ फ़ोटो हैं वहीं के ही, जयपुर के. ये रॉन है, ये जेमा है और मैं हूँ. ये थाली है राजस्थानी स्पेशल थाली. वी हैड लंच, राजस्थानी स्पेशल थाली. ये जेपा है रॉन के दा भाई हैं. और ये हम जंतर मंतर जयपुर में गए थे, ये वहाँ का है. इट्स अमेजिंग. ये ट्रेन का एक शॉट है जब रॉन सो रहे थे और थोड़ा टाइम आई स्पेंट ईटिंग जंक व्हेन ही वाज स्लीपिंग. Life was okay until he was sleeping. When he got up, the entire train knew that Ron is traveling by train. This is Jal Mahal, I guess. Enjoy